To John Long Middle School Open House 2020-2021 for World History. I'm Mrs. Perez. So I'm starting with a quote from Confucius, and we'll learn about him when we get to ancient China. A little bit about myself. I have a master's degree in education from Virginia. I went to Old Dominion University. I'm starting my 21st year of teaching. I have 7 years at John Long Middle School. I've taught U.S. history, civics, and world history. I'm married with 2 children. My husband recently in February retired with 31 years from the military as a Navy SEAL. My son graduated in May from Rice University in Houston, Texas as an electrical engineer, and he did get a job right out of school. We're excited about that. And my daughter graduated in May from the IB program from Land O'Lakes and is attending FSU pursuing a nursing degree. I've traveled the world, so this is my family's love. So I put a few pictures of where we've been. It's just a little taste of where we've been. So recently just got back from Pompeii and Amsterdam and Naples. I've climbed the Great Wall. I've been to the Roman Colosseum. Been to Japan, climbed the 3rd largest pyramid in the world. So traveling is my family's love, and so we continue to do that. So, world history at a glance. Quarter 1, we start with historical thinking, early man, and ancient Mesopotamia. Quarter 2, it's the Israelites in ancient Egypt. Quarter 3, ancient India and ancient China. And Quarter 4, ancient Greece, ancient Rome, and the Americas. The assessments, we'll have pre and post test, we'll have projects, essays, quizzes, and assessments in the end of the year course exam, which is 10% of the second semester grade. Supplies, while we're in class, we have a binder, notebook paper, pencils, color pencils, markers, glue sticks, dividers, 5 tabs, and manila file folders. I do standardized theme folders, so you'll need 10 of those, legal size. And National History Day. The theme this year is Communication in History, the Key to Understanding. And I'll talk more about that when we're in class. So World History, preparing for success. It's expected to meet deadlines, turn in quality work, and be on time for class and ready to work. Please constantly check my student regularly for grades or any missing assignments, and that will help you keep up with what you need to do as far as looking at your grades. So overall of classroom procedures, there's an agenda board, and it explains what's going on for the daily assignments as well as looking ahead. And then there's a phone policy, and you can read there's infractions for that. So I've never had a problem with phones, so we just use them for research. But if there's a problem, there's a policy for that. And last but not least, if you have an electronic device, because we might be online for a while, please bring to class daily, as lessons will be on Canvas and turned in electronically. So example, if you had a laptop, phone, iPad, and all dream catchers are expected to have a novel, electronic, or hardcover with them in their backpack on a daily basis. So looking forward to World History, and at the bottom, that is my email address. It's dpperez@pasco.k12.fl.us.